Focus, focus, focus. Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Bastian, Claudia is somewhere around here. Together we are gone. We're travel bloggers, photographers, videographer, however you want to call it. We're most of the time on Instagram, and recently we started that little YouTube channel to get in touch with you, getting more personal, talking to you. And yeah, that's why we started YouTube. Welcome to our channel. The reason why we're doing that tutorial today is because the question we're getting the most is how do you edit your photos, which apps you're using, and how to use presets. And the answer we are always given is we use Lightroom 90% on the computer and 10% on the iPhone. And that's what we want to show you today, how to import presets on your Lightroom, because I think presets are pretty good to learn Instagram. Some people say don't use presets, you will not learn Instagram, but for me I learned really a lot through presets because I learned which button is doing what and what is affecting what and how is he doing it and how is he doing it. For me it's a very good thing. On the other hand, I want to show you guys how to use the presets on your smartphone, because a lot of people do not know that you can use your presets on the go on the smartphone. And I think that's a big thing today, because not everyone wants to sit on the computer and edit the pictures on the computer, and they want to go on the go, they want to do it for the story, and they want to use presets for everything. And that's why I want to show you how to get your presets from your Lightroom on the computer to your phone. Yeah, let's get started. I will throw you on the computer. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because more support means more videos, and we want to make more videos. We enjoy it a lot. And yeah, if you like it, push the subscribe button. If you have any questions, hit down the comments. We will come back to you guys and explain anything that is not explained at the end of the video. So let's get started. Well guys, and welcome into my Lightroom. As you can see here on the right top corner, we're in the develop mode, and on the left side you can see your presets, where your presets live and where you can import and just work with them. What we're going to do now is we will import our presets. For that you just have to click on the right side of your mouse and then click on the new folder button and give that folder any name you want. I'm gonna call it Gone Switzerland Vibes. So as you can see here on the left side, Gone Switzerland Vibes. This is where our Switzerland Vibes, or my Switzerland Vibe presets will live. To import them, I just will click right here and hit the import button and choose your presets wherever they live on your hard drive. I have it here. Just mark them all, and down on the right you hit the import button, and what will happen now is when you click here on the little arrow, you will have your presets and you can start working with them. So as you can see, I hit the button, the preset goes here, goes here, goes here. So your presets are now on your computer, and if you want to use it on your smartphone, you have to do some further steps. First, check if you have Lightroom CC. If not, it's not going to work because you need the cloud. Second, you have to check if the cloud is syncing. You can find that in the left top corner here, where you can read Gone to the block. On the little arrow, when you click here, sync with Lightroom CC. Here you have to have the pause button. That means that it's running, because now I hit pause, nothing is running. I push the play button and now it's syncing. So first thing. Second thing would be on the left side where you have your presets, just scroll very down where you can find your collections. If that's closed, just open it up. As you can see, I already have one for the Florida Vibes here with the exclamation mark Gone Florida Vibes. What we're going to do now is make a new collection and import the presets there so that we can use it on our smartphone. To do that, just click here on the right beside of the collection, click on the plus button and hit Create Collection. Here of course you can give it a name. I always make an exclamation mark so that it's always on top of your collections. Call it Gone Switzerland Vibes, and then make sure at the inside collection set there's no mark in it, and on the other hand side make sure that at sync with Lightroom CC here has to be a mark in it so that it's syncing with the cloud. So create that collection, and now you can see it appeared here in the left corner. When you hit it, here's nothing in. What we're going to do now, we will put in some reference pictures where we can add our presets on so that you can see on your phone what you're doing. The first thing you're going to do now is hit on the right top on Library so that you find yourself in the library, and now choose the presets you want to use. So for that I made 5, or in that case 6 pictures, and where we'll add the pictures. I called it the name the presets are called, for example here Eid or Kandesteak or Öschene Lake. I always take the same picture so that I can see how the presets are affecting the picture. So to import them, you just take your pictures, mark them all and drop it in. And now he's going to ask you where you want to import them. Now, very important, on the right side, hit the Add to Collection button and now choose the right collection, Gone Gone Switzerland Vibes. So, the import, and now it's adding them to your collection. So, where will we have it? Here. Gone Gone Switzerland Vibes, how you can see here 6 pictures are in. Second thing you're going to do is now you have to add your presets. For that, you jump back to the develop mode. Go to your presets you imported before, and then you choose the right one for the right picture. So now we have here Eid, and I choose Eid. Kandesteak, Öschene Lake, and so on, till you're finished. And now what you see, you always have the preset on the photo and see how it affects it. Perfect. What you also can see now, go up to the left side here, you can see syncing 3 photos, so 3 photos are done, 3 photos to go. Now it's 4 photos. He's syncing that to the phone, and I will throw you now on my smartphone and we will see how it looks there. So, and welcome in my smartphone. As you can see, I already have opened my Lightroom app, and as you can see at the second point there's Gone Gone Switzerland Vibes, just the way we edited it on our computer. So when we hit it here, you can see there are the pictures, you can swipe through them, and you have the pictures with the effects on it. And now there comes the magic. It's a little bit of work around to use them, but it's working. What we're going to do now is maybe you want to make a new album. Sorry, that is in German here, but I'm from Germany. It's called Alben, it's album in English. And on the right side you have the plus. So you hit the plus button, and down there, Album erstellen means in English, create new album. You hit that, give it a name. For example, I already did one here, Tutorial 2.0. And then on the right lower corner, you can add your pictures, whatever you want. So I added this picture, totally normal shot when we were hiking through the Alps. So you want to use your preset now. So you go into the Gone Gone Switzerland Vibes folder, you choose whatever you want. I go for the Eid. And now on the right top corner you can see those 3 little bubbles, points, whatever. You click on them, sorry, now again German, but it's from down the 1, 2, 3, 4th one. Einstellung kopieren means copy your settings, copy settings. I hit this and then just hit OK. So every color correction, every grading we did is now copied, and then we go back, we go into the Tutorial 2.0 or folder, click on the picture, and again hit the 3 points, bubbles, whatever, and then the 3rd from down, so 1, 2, 3, paste settings, or paste, I don't know what's there in English, just paste it there, and ta-da, here you can see your preset now on your picture. And that's everything you need to do to use your preset on your phone. And the only thing you now have to do to export your photo is to click on the export button at the top, and then go to In Aufnahmen speichern means take your picture into your photo library on the phone. Click that. Do maximal verfügbar is maximum resolution. Guys, you can see you learn some German here when you're on our channel. Click on that, then it's rendering, and after that the photo is saved onto your phone. So, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to follow us on our channel for further tutorials, vlogs, whatever. Hit us down in the comments what you would like to enjoy to learn or to see, and we will see you on the next video.